Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and go live on TikTok. But before that, please do make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that matter, first thing that you have to remember, first of all, you gotta go ahead access your TikTok app on your phone and simply sign in with the correct account where you would like to simply go live. So you can see we have this live option on top left. If we tap on it, it will simply won't direct us to that section, because the first thing is you need to have at least 1,000 followers for the purpose for you to go live on your TikTok app. Once you have required that, you will be able to tap on this live button. You can go ahead, go live, and you can also send invite to all of your followers and friends to let them join on your live. So those are the things you have to make sure of. And once you have got the followers enough to do so, you can go ahead, access your TikTok, tap on the icon on top left, and you can go live anytime you want. So that is the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.